Hello, hello everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for January 17, 2020. CPRT exits the field in 15 days with 40% profit. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough to take down its owed, but it brought it down quite significantly. Let's go look at that. There it is. So we had called a last bar low here yesterday, or actually on Thursday, and we got stopped out on Friday right there. This recording is a day late. Had a little bit of technical problems. All right, but the point is that we got in at 504, got out at 570. So let's do the numbers of proof. Okay, so we take 570 minus the 405. Remember, it's 100 shares in each of these contracts. So I just go and put it into the hundreds right away. Now divide the 165 profit by the 405, and we come out to 40%, 0.7% earned. That brought us down to $171 from $9.98. For those who have been following, they know that number. Those who haven't, you can go check out the videos from a couple of days ago. It'll be right there. There's the proof. There's the pudding. So what is our plan of attack now? Our plan of attack now is to wait. We got only $171 to overcome, not the $9.98. That's cool. The second thing is stochastics is downtrending, but the MACD is downtrending and the stochastics is running high. But we see this long tail. There's a possibility that this might be a turnaround. And looking at the parameters that I need to have, I don't have the parameters. But once I get some parameters down here, I get some positive movement here or as the stochastics. Now don't look at this. This is ATR. People look at that ATR. Look at the ATR going up. Just flatline it. It has nothing to do with trading. It has everything to do in setting up your trade. There's a difference there. So that said, that done. Now, also new, I need to update our alpha leaders. Our alpha leaders had an exit on the 15th, the Monday, from Goldman Sachs. Those who have seen the Goldman Sachs video, we went down, and I'm looking at my tracker trade sheet on my my left side here on my other monitor, and sure enough, it's confirming 63 loss leaders to go for the alphas. Isn't that cool? That's 2 loss leaders in 1 month, and we still have about 2 good trading weeks left. Yeah, Monday's a holiday, but the bottom line is it's still going to be a good trading week, and the week after. The result is that if we can knock off another 2, we can knock off an average of 4 a month. In 4 months, 15 months, it paid me back. Okay, so it's 15 months, but do you know how much money it'd be back in my pocket from the people at Wall Street who took it from me? A lot. This is what I'm saying to you guys. You're gonna have some trades you're gonna lose. If you follow the rules, you won't have as many loss leaders as I have, and you're going to get that money back. It's following the rules, follow the discipline. All right, that's enough for Copart. Let's go ahead and put that one away. And now we're here at Apollo. And Apollo is right there. And here we are. And look at this. Apollo is moving up quite nicely. A recall, Apollo is a hedge fund who owns various things. I'm going to also update the leadership here, leaderboard here. They like buying defunct, underperforming golf courses in the opportunity that they're going to turn it around. The real truth is 5, 10, 15 years from now, they're a long-term thinking company. The bottom line is that those golf courses end up becoming prime real estate if it's in the right growing community. So the result is that if golf does wane down to less participants, the results will be is they can easily convert the property into mega mansions. And that's where Apollo is long term. They are getting the properties down. Some of them golf courses make a pretty penny, some don't. But the bottom line, they own 225 courses across the country and are out constantly looking for more. All right. So what's the attack here? The attack is that we are in 16%. We are in profit zone, and we're right here at this juncture. We have a nice day tripper exit. We have the black line value exit. So we're hovering here. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. It owes 390 against 260, so it's about $190 out, $130 out. Not bad. And then XLV. Now XLV is going to be really cool. Here's why. Remember, for those who have been following, XLV is a representation of a penny stock that I lost. I lost a pretty penny, and we got it back. Go back and see the videos. You'll see it right there, XLV, and we ended up with having only $3 owed. It's like three yards from goal. But the point is that it's a nice movement. Now, you'll notice we are in 9 contracts. Now, why are we doing 9 contracts when you only owed $3? One contract would have paid back the 3 in no time. You know what I mean? No. Reason why is because we have a set rule on how many contracts we get into depending upon the rating system from another software that I have access to. So the result is that this was saying this has opportunity for growth. That's what the 2 slashes mean. Up, up. So the bottom line is, the calculator came back and said, you know what, you're good for 9 contracts with an up condition. And I said, okay, fine, we'll go ahead and do 9 contracts, had the money. Now, we'll see the payoff, $310 ahead, minus $3 for the owed, minus about $12 for the commission. We still walk away with over $200 and something $90 in profit if we get out here. Right now, we're stuck here. Why? Because I have my discipline rules on taking profit. And I just did a research on my taking profit rule, and it paid off. So you guys have to find your own niche. Like I said, my daughter loves 25%. She sees 25%, boom, she's right there. She's right there at the bottom of that candle, last bar low. All right, let's go ahead and move up our calendar for the lost leaders. And it's going to be changing to 63. All right, we start off with 65 on January 1st. Well, that's it for the Alpha group. Let's go over and check out the Tigers. All right, the Tigers got Coca-Cola. Oh, look at this. Isn't this sweet? I have to tell you, and you heard me say it days ago, the Tigers are suffering. I mean, I'm like, but there's a possibility of a good turnaround here. Let's go look at that Coke and see what Coke is up to. And Coke is in the profit zone area. So that means that we are right there on the black value line. I know it's a lot of distance, but we stick to the rules. You start fidgeting the exit rules, you're going to get hurt. Seriously, guys, you're going to get hurt. Now, if we pop up here and get out with $200, $150, that's a lot less than $106.18 that Coke owes. So just keep to the plan. Now going on to the diamonds, which is the ETF for the top 30 companies in the United States. That's what the diamonds are about. They owe 287 to the Tigers. The Tigers only have 20 lost leaders to deal with. So if we can get these guys moving up and get them off the field, we're going to be down to 18. And we are the same situation. We had a lot of funny, pop up here, but the exit is running slow behind it. Well, we need only 18% here to go to last bar low, and I only need less than 10 to get here to do the same. Well, that really does wrap it up for the lost leaders for I'm going to do this right one of these days. Oh, okay. And we changed the background. So when you guys see this background, that means that we had a profitable exit trade. Not red shirt, red sweater, guys. When we have a net profit trade, not net profit. What's the difference? This here means the trade exited profitably, as you saw, CPR. And if red sweater guy shows up, which did a couple of days ago, means that we exited with the payback and a profit for the trade. So you saw earlier, CPR only now owes us 171, and we're only three, and we get out on XLV, which is a basis loaded. Any out will do. The end result is we're going to reduce the loss leaders. So let's wrap that up for tonight. And I thank you very much. I hope you guys are having a super weekend, and we'll catch you on Tuesday. Remember, the markets are closed Monday in honor of Martin Luther King and the civil rights movements. The 1960s, I was there. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. So check it out, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.